Hey, let me show you all touch gestures that you can use on the SoundPeats Air 4 Pro. So we can find them right here in the custom key and take a look. We can volume up, volume down, play and pause. We can turn on the game mode or turn off. We can change songs. We can turn on and off the noise cancellation and the voice assistant. But also we've got 3 hidden options. We can answer or hang up a call by double tap on the left or the right earbud when there's call on the way. And also we can reject a phone call by pressing and holding one of the button for 1.5 seconds. And if you want to switch between 2 active calls, you will have to press and hold for this button on the left or the right earbud for 2 seconds. And you can also turn them on and off by holding both, like, both earbuds, just like that. Click and hold to turn it off, and click and hold to turn it on. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.